What's up, dudes? Good morning. Guess where we're going today? That's right, we're going to KIWI Performance. Man, this car's been on my trailer more than my cars. So, this morning we're dropping Jamie's car off, and then we're heading out to Quebec City to get another one. Okay, so here's what's going on today. Got calls from, well, the other night I got a call from Jamie. Something happened to him while he was on the highway. It wasn't cool. I'm gonna let him tell you about it because it's not my place to tell you. If he wants to tell you. Point is, we gotta do a little work on his car. That's why it's back there. And then yesterday, when I was on my way home from work, I got a call from Jay. And he found himself, apparently, which is a really super clean 240 at a really good deal in Quebec, I guess Quebec City. So we're gonna go pick that up today. So that's about 3 to 4 hour ride each way. Road trip. Right now I'm just heading over to the shop, heading over to KIWI Performance. I'm gonna stop on the way, maybe get some breakfast, because I'm hungry. It's Saturday morning, it's 10 o'clock. And then we'll get to the shop, we'll see what's up, and then we'll hit the road for Quebec, see what he's got there. I hope it's a cool car, I hope it's a good day. Well, it'll be a good day for sure, it's always a good day, but, you know, let's go on an adventure. Yeah. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing?
Not for now.
Yeah, just before inspection.
Yeah. I'll start.
So, we got the 240 here. Now we're heading out to Quebec. Pick up another one. It's gonna be a fun day. Interesting, hopefully. Yeah. So you want to talk about this whole dilemma on film, or you want to just like fly it under the radar?
Well, I don't mind. I have bad luck with stuff, so the car just randomly stalled out on the side of the street, and before I could pop the hood and have time to look at it and see what happened, I got surrounded by control routier. So now I got to fix the car back to more stock spec and pass an inspection with the boys. Thank God KIWI Customs is here.
You gotta fix it.
I don't know. I'll get back to you on the hand brake. I think I'll leave it to talk about.
So that's what's up. I didn't want to tell you guys. I figured I'd let him tell you. Come here, Echo. So his car's here because hey, come here, Echo. Here. Hey, come here. Okay, stay here. Don't go on the road. So yeah, it's here to get it fixed up so it passes inspection, because now the poor guy has to bring his car for inspection. He's super unlucky with stuff like that. But, you know, we're all here to help him out. We'll do what we can. Teamwork, baby. I don't know how much I'm gonna film on the way to Quebec and stuff, but that's the next plan for the day. So I'm gonna put the camera back in the truck for now and catch up to you guys later. The signs in Quebec, so, and I remember I came to Quebec once before, and I remember that bridge.
Oh shit, bro, it's the same thing I saw over the fucking...
Made it to Quebec. This is the car we picked up. Funny, I had two cars the same color, same car on the trailer in one day. So here it is. Now, I just hope we balance the trailer enough to get home safe and sound, because truck slammed. Too much weight on the back of the truck makes it bottom out. Too little, start going down the highway like this. You know what I mean? Hopefully the ride here will go as smooth as the ride back, or the ride back will be as smooth as the ride here. You know what I mean?
Je peux avoir un numéro 2 s'il vous plaît? Un 2, ouais. Un instant, c'est des 2, 3. Puis c'est des grands, les grands formats vidéo.
Alright, it's dark out here, but we made it back to the shop. So, do you want to tell them about what it is? What's going on?
Think about what I'm going to say, man.
Just do it fast, you wing it. I was probably like, what the fuck's he doing? He's like walking around talking to a camera?
Hey, man.
That's super dark, you can't see anything anyway. Alright, well, it's crazy dark out here, but I'll get you more stuff on that soon. I'm gonna put the camera in the truck, get the car off the trailer, get back to you guys after. Okay, try to get you guys more light, but I'll just talk to the camera. Just in case this is good. So we're trying to figure out what the problems could be, might be, and Jay thinks he's got something figured out. So we're gonna give it a little try.
I'm going to check it for continuity, make sure it's good.
Maybe.
Alright, you tell me if you see spark there, bro.
Yeah. Oh!
Bro.
That's good.
Just a fuse, man. It's still alive too.
Imagine that. Dude lost like what? $5.5 grand because of the fuse. Come on, baby. Alright guys, so check this out. After all day on the road, we drove all the way up to Quebec City, which is about 3.5, almost 4 hours each way. We picked up this car. This Blue 240 looks a lot like Jamie's. It's super, super clean. All the body lines are mint. Everything lines up good. The paint is good. Like, this whole car is good. It's got an SR20 in it, and Jay picked it up for a ridiculously cheap price because it wouldn't run. So we get it back, he checks a few things, changes the main fuse for the motor, and it runs. This sucker is like, the dude just saved like $5 grand because the other dude didn't check out the fuse, man. What a good deal. Turned out to be a great day. She rolls.
Bro, that poor guy, man.
Yeah.
That 125 amp fuse cost him at least $5 grand. Runs.
That was a good call to go up there today.
Bro.
That was worth the trip, eh?
I'm gonna take a video of this.
That's like the only time you'll ever find that price of running 240.
Yeah, bro.
For the price of that.
Wow.
Alright, so the battery's about to die on the camera. I'm gonna say goodnight now. We had a good day. It was a long day, a long ride, but it was totally worth it. The price you paid for that car compared to what you could sell it for, now that it's a running 240, ultra clean, just worked out great. Super perfect. Alright guys, we're back at KIWI. We picked up that car yesterday. We were on the road for a super long time. We got back, we were both dog tired. So today, we're gonna start it fresh. He got the car at a super good price. I don't know if he wants to disclose what that price was on film, but if he does, I'll let you guys know. And yeah, but it was a good deal. Oh, so clean. So this car we picked up, super ultra clean. It's got stock original interior in it. No rips, everything's nice. Everything's in good shape. There's not a little bit of putty in the car at all. All the body lines are perfect. Looks like a good solid base.
Put some gas in it, man. It's gonna take a while. The engine's a bit fucking wobbly though, eh?
Yeah,
You reckon?
it moves. It's moving.
But bro,
When you get something like this fixed, you gotta take it out for a test. Like this guy driving, well, that's the test of all tests.
should we take it for a drive?
Hell yeah, you should take it for a ride. Find out if it's solid enough, and then try to sell the car. A quick flip, you know?
You stay inside, Nico.
I think it works. We drove all the way to Quebec City to get this car yesterday. It wasn't running when we got home last night, but now it's running. I didn't catch your donuts, bro. It was too far out. They look good. Kind of did this on a whim sort of thing. Jay found the car really cheap online. We drove out to Quebec City to pick it up. That might become a little bit of a regular thing on this channel. See if we can get a few cars like that, flip them at a good deal, and show you guys how it's done. Make a little money in the car world. We'll give you more news about what happens to this car in the near future. It is for sale. So peace out. Stay happy.